Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechDataEngineer. So today we will understand Vane and Lead in pyspark, when to use and what is the use of Vane and Lead. Okay, so in pyspark, Vane is a function used for conditional operations similar to SQL case statement. Okay, so it allow you to specify conditions and corresponding actions to transform or manipulate data within Spark data frame. Okay, so when is basically a conditional statement we are using. Okay, so if you want to add a new column or you want to add alter a existing column, and based on certain column value, if you wanted to assign different value to the existing column or added column, then we are using when condition. And lit is a literal, basically literal is like a constant value if you are adding to the string. Okay, so later see is an everything in detail. Okay, so what we are doing here, we have created a spark session, and then we have created a spark session and app name take data engineer. Then we have taken a data james aim 6000 and all, so their column schema would be name, gender, salary. Okay, then different we have taken the data james as a gender as a male, and then money. Okay, salary. Okay, so we have created a data frame, spark dot create data frame, data equals to data and schema equals to columns. Okay, so this is our data frame basically. Okay, so here what is the use of case statement. Okay, so what we are doing, we have with the existing data frame we have created a data frame called new gender. So with the help of when statement, what we are doing, so when we are importing from pyspark.sql functions, we are importing when. So what we are doing, if gender equals to m, then we are assigning as a male in existing column new gender. Similar to that, if gender is female, if we are assigning female, if gender is null, then we are assigning nothing. Otherwise df the gender, what is the gender, if apart from these three conditions, if there are other things, we will assign the same thing. Okay, so what value will come, so here name would be, then what we are doing df2 dot, so James, Michael, Robert, Maria, Jane. So if gender is m, then in new gender column we are assigning male, here m equals to female. Then if null, then we are assigning this value means like no value. Okay, if there is a female, then female. If there is nothing, then df dot gender. So df dot gender means ki whatever value is there, make it as it is. Okay, so this is the use of when condition. Let us understand lit also. So in pyspark, basically lit is a function used to create literal column expression for a data frame. Okay, so lit stand for literal, and it's primarily used to add new column with a constant or literal value to existing data frame. So if you wanted to add any constant value, we are using the literal. Okay, then what we are doing, we are importing the again spark, creating the spark session. I have taken the example again like employee id and salary. This is the employee id 111 222 333. Then based on that I have created the data frame. Okay, I have created the data frame. Then we have taken the call and lead from the SQL function. Okay, so we have again df dot select column employee id salary lead equals to an alias lead value. So we have added a column a lead value, and we have assigned one. Okay, so what we are doing, simply we are just selecting the employee id salary, and we are adding a column called lead value. And for each so in lead value field, for each particular row, we are assigning a one constant value. Okay, so so this is the use of lead basically. Okay, for assigning any literal constant value, we are using lead. Okay, thanks for watching.